Pikachu.
You should be...
Midgets! I'm gonna be baseball Pikachu.
I'm gay Diddy Kong.
Jake.
This is not a good level for this.
Our levels always just degrade into throwing matches.
Yeah.
I know. I hate this level so much. I love this level so much.
You always have to contradict what I say.
No. You just didn't.
Jake's a contradiction.
Don't, face.
Did you see me emerge from my Pokeball?
Are we playing this or are we...
Guys, what's POW?
POW stands for
Prisoner of War.
Out.
What does it mean?
Poke Out World. And
No, I'm not gonna hear it either.
the Poke Out World.
Why is this even on?
No. I was gonna grab you.
No, you were tripping.
No.
Hey, there was 2 Pikachus that time. How nice.
Better, the camera gets to see us be picky about a stage.
Yeah.
Ready? Good stage! Okay.
That's better.
Jake,
What?
why can't I play?
Because.
Why? I'll never get
Look at
married.
me.
If you
Look at me, I'm a kitty cat.
I would have bought
The peanuts for a hat.
Dude, that was like
I'm
forever ago.
I know.
I
Look at me, I'm a kitty cat. I wear the peanuts for a
I
hat.
feel like if you fall off this little thing over here, you shouldn't actually die because look, obviously there's more castle.
Yeah, obviously a long way down.
It's
Jake,
unrealistic.
what is that?
A mouse always drops
Stop
off
asking questions, Jake. A mouse does not land on his feet.
I know, I was waiting for you to comment on that.
I didn't realize what you said, so I thought just now.
Until I thought.
What was that?
That lightning actually saved you.
It seriously did. It did. It really did. Oh, I didn't realize that you had a camera.
This is so nerve-wracking. But I believe I am safe.
How long does it last?
For
Oh my gosh.
now.
Stop rolling box, fool.
What is a computer have a lightsaber and a hammer?
Because he's really talented.
Who got that? Who got that?
Leslie.
Well, we were all beating each other up in the middle, so we couldn't tell who had any pieces anymore.
Oh my, he just came back.
Look at me. No!
Too much more balls!
I'll try not to.
Who has that?
I'll try to.
I believe it's the DD.
Get him!
Nah,
Where's the
crap.
Zach genius?
Well, I'm sorry, I can't read your mind.
See?
Ow,
See?
ow. Where? Ah!
Right there!
He leaves us. Zoom.
Guys, now beat the crap out of him. Beat the crap
Just kiss her.
out of
You
him.
kiss her. You just take her and you kiss her. Then you kiss the crap out of her.
Oh my.
She's the man.
Crap.
She's the freaking total boss, man.
That smartphone was not very smart. Where did you go? I got it.
Okay.
One of us did. Oh my gosh, control! Come on, respond at your usual level of performance.
Dog. Join forces with me, fellow Pokemon.
And why do you keep like, oh, that's because the Latios and Latias. I was like, why did you randomly just like run over top speed?
I'm gonna shoot you. You can go die in that hole.
I would rather not.
Do 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 do.
What if someone was so...
How did you fly and do that?
Oh, he used his aerodynamics.
Thank you.
Oh, he sidestep dodge. That was awesome.
Oh, that was cool.
Teamwork. It's a good thing.
How does the smash ball get transported too?
Oh. Because we all get transported.
I probably should have saved that for you, but he's annoying me.
He's trying to keep you away from the Pokeball.
Wait, pause. Look at her
Free.
beauty.
Pause. Beauty done.
Girl, quit throwing me.
It's just like I'm just gonna keep
Engage me
chucking
in
crap.
combat. You will.
Someone told me that Goldeen's kill every